So, what if the reason why you can't speak your truth, you can't find your words, freeze up on camera is not because you're shy? It's not because you lack confidence. It's not even because you lack experience. It's because there is trapped energy in your body that is begging to be released and it is keeping you from feeling and being who you truly are. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 powerful energy clearing tools that I've used myself many times with incredible results. Tools that have helped me break through emotional silence, speak my truth, feel my light, feel my authentic expression of who I truly am. They're simple, they're easy, they're quick. You can do them any time of the day, even while you're driving your car. If you have ever felt invisible, trapped in negative thoughts that you don't feel like you're allowed to speak out loud, or unable to express who you truly are, this video is for you. First one, I do all of these when I'm in the car, so it's appropriate that I'm filming this while I'm in the car. First one is just screaming. Scream into a pillow. You can scream quietly into your hands, like that. Basically, like making the face like you're screaming. And just, but it sort of sounds like breath. Or you can really scream if you're in a place where you have the freedom to scream and scream, but be careful because you can really hurt your vocal cords. You can really, really hurt your vocal cords. So try to scream in a way that isn't painful, So screaming, really good way to release anger, release stuck energy, and it clears the throat chakra in a really beautiful way. It's getting stormy out here. All of a sudden, it's getting kind of dark. So another tool, it's basically, I guess you could call it sounding. So you just let sound come out of your mouth in whatever way you want to. So you could just talk gibberish. You can just make noises. A fun thing and it just sort of like wakes up your mind and breaks you out of your routine is to try to make sounds that you have never made before in your entire life. So that's fun. It's fun to just let yourself be weird like that. And it's very freeing. It loosens up energy in the mouth and in the tongue. Really clears out the throat chakra. So, and as you're doing it, just imagine that you're liberating stuck energy from your lower energy centers, from your lower chakras, just old trauma, anger, embarrassment, tension. Just imagine that you're just liberating it, letting it out through your throat and through your mouth. And then the final tool that it is so powerful. If you really, really let it flow, it is so powerful. So this is particularly good if you are feeling angry and resentful. Whatever whatever's going on with a person or whatever's going on with the situation that has caused you to feel anger and resentment and tension, say whatever you want to say about it out loud. You can call this the unenlightened game. You allow yourself to be as unenlightened as anyone could ever possibly be. So you allow yourself to be hateful. You allow yourself to be immature. You allow yourself to be small-minded. You just allow yourself to do and say whatever, or not do. You allow yourself to say anything, curse words. You can be the victim. You can make fun of their shoes. You can make fun of their eyebrows. You can say things that only an immature middle schooler would say. You just allow yourself to be as unenlightened as anyone could ever be. And you just say it. Just say it with the intention of releasing stuck energy. And man, when I have done that, I save it for the big stuff, I save it for the stuff that I'm really, really having a hard time with.
when I have done that and I just really let it flow, like seriously let it flow, it's like what it feels like to me is that whatever it was that made a person do the things that hurt me, it was like their negative energy, their demons got into my body, got into my energy system. And when I released it, it was like I was releasing demons. So it started as me saying whatever unenlightened things I wanted to say. It ended up sounding like demons were leaving my body. So you might be surprised what comes out if you allow yourself to do this. But I did that with a guy that I went through a particularly bad breakup with. And I had been having a really hard time for a few months. And I found that tool and I used that tool. And I kid you not, when I really, really let myself say all of the things and let those demons leave my body, afterwards, I was like, oh my gosh, everything's fine. Like everything's like totally fine. It's more than fine. Breaking up with him was like one of the best things that ever happened to me, you know? Like it was just so clear, like, oh no, this is like nothing went wrong here. This is exactly right. And I felt so light and so free, like I hadn't felt in literally months. And I was driving when I did the whole thing. And so I pulled into a parking lot and walked into a store and he was there. It's like it wasn't even in the same town where he lived, but he was there at the store. And we talked. We talked on the phone. We ended up hanging out later that night. And we have been friends ever since. Isn't that crazy? So really, use these tools carefully and intentionally because they work. And you can liberate yourself in ways that you could never even imagine. So what's your experience with this? Make sure to let me know in the comments. If you would like some advice applying these principles to your own situation, let me know. We can do a quick little 30-minute strategy session. We can do a 1-hour strategy session. We can do a spirit reading where I ask your angels and guides what the best possible plan of action is for you and the best possible tools for you at this time. We can do a full-on chakra clearing. We can work together for a month, or you can just keep watching my videos, whatever works. So thanks so much for watching. Thanks for listening. If you're still watching this video, that means you liked it. Make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and share this with someone if you think that it could help. I'm sending you love.